this question. They said the log of 12 base 4 plus 2 log 3 base 4 minus 3 log 6 base 4. Now remember, whenever you are solving any logarithm, first we must look at the base. They must have the same base. Now look at this question. It's having base 4, base 4, base 4. It has obeyed that rule. We can now move ahead. If they are having different base, we have to use change of base from one of the law that says change of base. But provided that the base are the same, we move ahead. Now look at this. I'm having log of 12 base 4 plus, now look at this term here, 2 log 3 base 4. Remember, from one of the laws of logarithm that says the power law, that says if the number is having a power, use the power to multiply the log. And remember, I told you that if A is equal to B, it means that B also is equal to A. Now we are going to convert from that power law from the other form to the left hand side. Now look at what I mean. Meaning I'm going to have log of 3 raised to power 2 base 4 minus, same thing is happening here, log of 6 raised to power 3 base 4. Remember, from your power law, this power here will be used to multiply the logarithm. That is what's happening here. Now I have moved it from that other form back to its original form. I have moved it from this form now back to its original form. Now from here, let's forge ahead. The next step is for us to log 12 base 4 plus log. Now 3 raised to power 2 is 9. Log 9 base 4 minus log 6 raised to power 3. 6 raised to power 3 is 216. 216. Now, provided that all these are in base 4, and remember, there is a law binding these two here. Remember, I told you that it is not every time that you are going to give us from, remember from your multiplication law, say log mn base a is equal to log m base a plus log n base a. Then sometimes the question will come in this form. We have to return it from this form back to this form. That is what is happening here. Depending on what we are trying to achieve, there are sometimes the question can come in this form. We have to move to this form to get our results. That is what is happening here now. Now I'm going to convert this form now back to this form. Meaning I'm going to have log 12 times 9 base 4 minus log 216 base 4. Now from here, let's multiply. Next, I'm going to have log 12 times 12 log 108 base 4 minus log 216 base 4. The same thing is happening here from your division law that says you have log m over n base a, that is the same as log m base a minus log n base a. Now, this expression, this man now is in this form. I have to return it back to this form because in this form I cannot solve here, but in this form I can forge ahead. Now look at what I mean. Provided the bases are the same, you pick the base out. I mean, have log 108 divided by 216 base 4, which is equal to log 8 divided by 216. That means we are going to have now from here now 108 here is 1, 108 here is 2. So from here I'm having log 1 over 2 base 4. Now this is not my final answer because this is log 1 over 2 base 4. I have to further ahead. Remember, from your law of logarithm, the negative index law is simply saying I can still rewrite this as log 2 raised to the power negative 1 base 4 is now equal to, now remember from your power law of logarithm, it says that if you should have a power, then we're going to use this power to multiply out the logarithm, meaning I'm going to have minus 1 log 2 base 4. But this is not my final answer because I'm having minus 1 log 2 base 4. Now I want to make this base to attain base 2 so that I will now have the logarithm of a number to the same base is equal to 1, meaning I'm going to have minus 1 log 2 base 2 raised to the power 2, because 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. Now let's forge ahead. Now there is a law that is binding. Remember, from the power of the base, with the power of the base is simply saying that take the inverse of the power of the base, it will be used to multiply out the log, meaning I'm going to take out, raise the inverse of this power of this base, meaning I'm going to have negative 1 multiplied by 1 over 2 log 2 base 2. You can now see that I have attained the log of a number to the same base, which is 1, meaning I'm going to have from here minus 1 times 1 is minus 1, all upon 2, meaning I'm going to have minus 1 over 2 log 2 base 2, which is now equal to, now remember, the logarithm of a number to the same base is 1, meaning I'm going to have minus 1 over 2 times 1, which minus 1 times 1 is minus 1 over 2, which is now equal to negative 1 over 2. Please, this is my final answer. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please follow, subscribe, share, and view. Thanks. Hope to see you in my next video.